The Sharp 1340 VS is a compactly constructed manual lathe that provides simple and easy operations. The unit is designed for doing light work with features that are usually integrated on a larger engine lathe. Ideal users of the Sharp 1340 VS include vocational schools, training institutions, and home workshops. The Sharp 1340 VS is designed with 13-inch swing-over bed and 18.5 inches of swing-over gap. Maximum distance between centers is 40 inches. The bed gap can be removed, allowing the machine to turn a larger workpiece without the need to change to a larger swing machine. The top of cross slide is hardened and precision ground, preventing scratching and ensuring long-term operation. A push-pull knob is provided at the apron for more efficient control of cross-slide movement. This lathe comes with a D1-4 cam lock spindle, making the chuck easier to mount and dismantle. The spindle bore size is 1.56 inches. Variable spindle speed range is from 40 to 2000 RPM. Variable spindle speeds are easy to change by simply turning a dial. The spindle speed can be set at high or low speed range so that the machine is capable of performing heavy cutting or fine finishing. The gears in the headstock are manufactured from chrome moly alloy steel for maximum wear resistance and noise-free running.